Hello, konnichiwa. Let us introduce ourselves. I'm KK from Hong Kong. I'm an industrial designer. She's my wife Maggie, and she's a pastor. Well, we have been knowing Abby and Khan for years. Now here we want to say something about Abby's mural. Well, we saw that she has some art pieces putting on the block, the seed block. Well, it surprised me a lot. I didn't know that she can do such great things. Yeah, this is the first time we met Abby and Khan. So we are long-time friend. Well, talking about Amy's mural, first I know Amy is very multi-talented. She can sing, she can cook, and she did a lot artistic activities. It's quite amazing. But mural is the first time I heard that. So here's something for her. So Khan and Amy, they got a block, seed block, and here is what I feel after I saw that on the web about Amy's mural project. First of all, Amy is artist, and this seed block, and then this is her mural, and she can cook, she can sing, she can paint, and even she can play the drum. So can't help together. They work out such a great thing, great project here. Oh, it's Amy, Khan, and the mural. Yeah, very impressive. Yeah, Khan asked me to talk about myself, and I am interested in some art-related things. And here in Hong Kong, I didn't do mural just for one time, because I learning painting about 2 years ago. My teacher Rita, she is an artist in Hong Kong. Actually, she came from Finland, and she did a lot of mural project in Hong Kong, quite amazing. So I can show you some of her works in Hong Kong. So here, okay, now I show you some of Rita's art pieces. They are all mural project in Hong Kong. So here we go. First, my teacher Rita, and this is the part I took part a little bit, just a little bit. It's a mural in somewhere in western part of Hong Kong. It's a project of several artists. They work together. Each one of them have their own art piece as a mural. My teacher Rita, she paint some scene of Hong Kong. So I took part painting the building. This is what I did, just a little bit. And actually, she got an idea, and this is her daughter as a model, and she painted a change. She transformed from a schoolgirl to a young lady, and this is the whole set. And then Rita, she painted a lot of natures and kind of some interesting creatures, and mainly birds and lot of plants, and very pretty, amazing. And she painted used it in some public area, the community. Lots of her work. Yeah, kind of an art installation. Now here, this is very interesting. This is very similar to those work by Amy. Well, talking about Amy's mural, I find her style is not same as Rita, my teacher, and her style is simple and very plain, but have a strong style of communicate with people with her message. It's earth friendly, and kind of that. And this is very interesting, and it is very pretty, and it's good for whatever your age is. Whatever your age, you can understand, and you will like her job. Yeah.
Yes, Amy, your work is very beautiful, and I hope you're enjoying the painting, and just do a lot of work that you like, because you're so talented, and the whole thing is such sugoi. Yes, we love it very much, and I especially love the ideas of using seed, because it gives people a sense of ever growing, because plants grow from a small seed into some bushes and then bloom into flowers. So you can add colors and life into something, and into particularly into your work. So, ganbare.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy your work, and you can pass a message to the people, a message of happiness and enjoyment. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.